Hello everyone, I am Rudra Pratap C. Chauhan, and in this video I would like to show some interview questions of Infosys. Before interview question, I would like to show the overview of selection procedure of Infosys. So in this procedure we will see how many rounds are there in Infosys exam. So there is first round, and this is the examination of Infosys certification exam, and then we have first round. And for 2021 pass outs, the examination occurred on 10th February 2020, and the main topics of that examination are OOPS concept, data structure and algorithm, DBMS, and aptitude. So these are the main topics. OOPS means object oriented programming, and then DBMS, database management system. And after that, the students of round 1 who cleared round 1 can give the examination of round 2, and this round 2 occurred during lockdown on 14th June 2020. And the main topics of these examinations are this is actually coding round, advanced coding round, and the main topics which are asked in this examination are DBMS, and two coding questions are there in that examination. And those who have selected for this round 2 can give the interview. So as you can see, the common subject is DBMS. So for Infosys you have to build a strong command on DBMS, and there is a round 3 which is interview round, and which is occurred on 24th of November 2020. And if you want coding questions of C, Java or any other language, then you can join my Telegram channel. Link is in description box. So let's see the interview questions. This one is interview experience of my friend Arbaj Khan, who is from computer science branch, and here he cleared 2 rounds of InfyTQ, and then applicable for job profile software engineer, and its package is around 3.6 LPA, and using same platform which is WebEx, Cisco WebEx, and on same date of 24th November 2020. And his interview duration is about 15 to 20 minutes, and there is only one interviewer who asked the question of any domain. So the questions are, tell me something about you in 5 minutes. So they add one more thing, that you should have to tell about yourself in about 5 minutes. And second question is, describe your project. This is also a common question. And third one is, which one is your favorite subject in engineering. So if you are good in any subject, then you can mention it in this question. And fourth one is, what is polymorphism. So polymorphism is also a concept of OOPS. And fifth question is, explain the properties of interface. So if you are familiar with Java, then you know the answer of this question. And sixth one is from DBMS, what do you mean by index in DBMS, explain the types of indexes. So, and seventh question is, what is normalization. And the eighth question is, difference between unique key and primary key. So these are the common questions of DBMS. Unique key accept null, and primary key doesn't accept null. And ninth question is quite unique. So this is just like aptitude related question. And question is, in a room there are 8 boys, they handshake with each other. What is the total number of handshakes happen in that room? So you can see the solution of this question. I will provide the link which is in description box. And the last question is, why do you want to join Infosys? So this is a very common question in all the interview, that you should aware about the main objective of the company, or any company which are you going to apply for, or which are you going to attend the interview. So this one question is also a common. And that's all for this video. Thank you. And if you want to join my Telegram channel, then link is in description box, you can check it.